Patki records bangalap hapo Delhi National Archives hadi inch name ngali puli hapo National Archives Delhi hangto ki pani ba Tirot Singh had a very large house in Dhaka. He had servants in Dhaka. He had an allowance when Tejing Ted and to live reasonably well. He used to travel in a palanquin. To batayanga se piong you kumno ki palanquin. Palanquin.
Like, you know, somebody you like have to carry.
Yes, he went around Dhaka in a palanquin. Kumod, in the last days, he did not die in jail. He died as a state prisoner. But ki pareng ki recognize you kum state prisoner. Ki I respect you kum state prisoner.
Amut kataga jaka ya kaba liba ta kakop kaba kakot kaba filam. Kamut udan hapo kabindi.
Not in the sense of an ordinary prisoner, because I went to Dhaka to look at the jail records. Hangto hapo ki jail records undan krteng jong Tirot Singh. I got it in the Bengal political proceedings, where it is shown.
Jingkentep nakaliang jong kanika channel ke jong I kompetisi TV. Ba buon ngilap ngilech college ki school undan be itho undan be tep Tirot Singh. Kumuno hikai. Uba pila dan pala long do kumu pro vice chancellor ke try kabala ya kaban pensa priang ke beri ba khubor amar ngimdon kita kisiem ma fi kumba fide noi ka history ngimdon kabangin police pangka history jongka jela ka jongi ne pangka khasi den de tang em Tirot Singh kyang nang ba te ke ikbat kabangila ya kaban penrung apo kisamla pulie ba yes lingba ka history pe ngidon kita kiklawat.
There's a little problem in our education system, Hapoki school, Bakai university and the colleges. There's not much detail on Tirot Singh and Kyang Namba. Namar Ngihapule ki struggles elsewhere. But if we have some very specialized programs on the history of Northeast India, on the history of the Khasis, they nangtong ila go into the details of Tirot Singh na Kyang Namba. But Kidan Kikot. There are many books on Tirot Singh and Kyang Nongba, but I think our students are not reading them up enough and sufficiently. So I don't blame academia, but Ngindan Kikot ben hikai shapang kini ki leaders jungi.
Try ki kladun kam ne mai kini ki school ki deban pensulur no yakaba ngide nama kumbakadon ka kini mangide ban tip shwai la ka jong shwai ka ban tip shapang ki wai.
Yes, I would agree with you. If we are studying on different heroes around India, we must also include our own people in it. Namar ngimla ben klet ki leaders jungi hi.
Mentang in poi pa kabede but way na we missionary on the Welsh missionary bangitep kum Thomas Jones. People adapt banle but panthor ka kabede but Thomas Jones. Marba kiba bon kimtep way Thomas Jones de dingba jong pi ngi kwa ekaban pen sapriang ini ko kubor ba kiwe kintep dingba kani ga jingekren ga jonga ba pi way Thomas Jones ro
Hi kani ko research bangale shpang Thomas Jones ro kaban ra ka tremendous happiness to me. Namar Thomas Jones had a profound effect on the Khasi Jaintias. Namar de mau ba ai not only the introduction of the faith, Christianity, but also the written word, ka abikedi. Abikedi beninkang. There were other missionaries who came before him. Alexander Lish, and Serampo mission, ki wanra ki jingtho jingi hapa Bangla. But it was Thomas Jones by abikedi in the Roman script. Kani ko research bangale shapang Thomas Jones was in the year 1986.